Welcome to Matt Roberts. 10 minutes starting now, thank you.
Okay, it's nearly the coffee break, so I won't need my 10 minutes. Good morning, my name is Matt Roberts. I'm a lecturer at East Sussex College, and together with my colleague Damien, we're running the training hub that Ian just spoke about. So it's a really good project. Can we have the slide? Sorry, I think it's a different sheet. That's okay, we can carry on. Anyone who's had an IT disaster in front of a classroom full of teenagers is all right in a classroom full of adults. Okay, so we opened the training hub in October. It was a hard-won project. We spent the summer building it, and it's a really brilliant facility. So the idea of this building is to take us off campus so that we can offer training to a broader range of people. So we recognise that we're going to be training adults, we're going to be training professionals, we'll be training tradesmen. Okay, so we technologies. So that's for people that are looking to get involved or are already involved in the industry. You might be electricians, you might be plumbers, and you want to upskill yourself to be able to install photovoltaic panels, solar thermal, electric vehicle chargers, those kind of technologies. So that's one key strand that we're going to offer. Another key strand that we're going to offer is training in retrofit and decarbonisation. Okay, so you've got this one half where you need to do the work, and you've got another half where you need to design and specify it. Okay, we've partnered with an organisation called Retrofit Academy, and they offer a series of awards understanding retrofit, designing it and coordinating it. And that's really important. It's really important that we align with PAS 2035, which is a new standard for how do you approach retrofit. In the past, there's been some challenges where works that you've done to properties have had unintended consequences, and we don't want that to happen in our drive to net zero. As well as the technical qualifications and the design and theoretical side, we've got a whole series of online e-learning quals. There's about 18 of them, and they're a brilliant way to access the world of sustainability and decarbonisation cheaply and relatively quickly. So we see these as our pitch to businesses for if you're looking to get involved in this market. Ian's just sort of articulated how much money is coming to the table in this area. If you want to be involved, perhaps start here, contact us, do a few of the online courses, and then look at how your business might develop into either the design side and the planning side or the actual physical installing side. Okay, so there's a couple of slides of the online courses, and then we're getting to the important bit, I suppose, the money. Okay, so course costs are they're not dirt cheap, but they're also I don't think unreasonable. So the renewable technology courses range from £320 to £850. The retrofit courses, that's looking at how do you design and specify, they're from £700 to £2,000. And the online packages, we've essentially got a bespoke framework for every customer. You can buy one course for 50 quid, you can have access to the whole lot for £2,500. We've worked really hard with CITB, the local planning authority, and other grant providers to try to make sure we've got access to funding support to as wide a range of individuals and businesses as possible. So we'd really encourage you to contact either myself or Damien, talk about what you want, and then we can tell you what funding might be available or how we can finance the training that you want. Next slide, please. And that's it. We're here, we're open, it's in development, so we'd love your feedback on the courses we're currently offering and what we should be doing in the future. And we hope to see you there, training you up, ready to do the work.
Yeah, it's one of the biggest things that we have to address is the skills gaps that we have in the country. They've forecast about 200,000 people's skills gaps to be able to deal with all the retrofits that we want to be able to do in the country. So the fact that Eastbourne is now sort of up and running and ready to go is a real benefit to what we've got in the area. You know, I'm hoping you'll start to see a sort of perfect storm emerging here, where we should all be sort of going forward and working together to be able to get all of these things achieved.